Step number 1. Log into the new website that will pay you to watch advertisements. Step number 2. Watch one ad for 30 seconds and earn $5.74. Step number 3. Cash out your earnings daily. There's never been an easier time to make money online, and this is one of the easiest side hustles that you could do without having any skills, any knowledge, or any money. All you have to do is create an account. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to earn $5.74 every 30 seconds for watching ads. But before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Now, the 2 steps to earning $5.74 every 30 seconds for watching ads are. Step number 1. I'll be revealing the top platform that is paying people to watch ads in their spare time. Step number 2. I'll be showing you how to automate your earnings by getting other people to watch those ads. Now, the very first thing I want to show you is how to withdraw your money. As you can see, there's a little cash out tab, and you can basically cash out your earnings with PayPal, Bitcoin, or any other types of earnings like Amazon Visa gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Netflix, Apple gift cards, really any form of payment you want, including bank transfer. So it's pretty easy, and this site right here is called Free Cash. Now, Free Cash is a great place where you could watch ads and earn money. Now, there's other things you could do real quick when you set up your account that I'm going to show you. So you could just already earn some money right off the bat for just watching this video right here. The very first thing you could do is come to the leaderboard and check out every single day they're doing a $500 daily giveaway for the leaders. So to become a leader, you need to be securing points. These people right here have probably been spending at least 3 to 4 hours of their day just getting points. They can redeem in cash, and then they are on the leaderboard to win an extra $500 on top of what they already earned on this site. So it's pretty cool because you could get rewarded for doing even more work. This person, second place, they're going to get 35,000 points. This person right here, 50,000 points, which is equivalent to $500. And this person is going to get 17,500 points for absolutely free just because they were active on the site. So you could do this in your spare time and get an extra $500 daily on top of what you already earned. The next place you want to go to is rewards. That's going to take you to this place, and you can basically enter these cool little games for absolutely free. You can play these whenever you want. There's people earning every 16 seconds. People are earning different amounts of money, so you can bet your points and multiply that and win 5-10x what you currently earned on the site. So that's pretty cool that they do that. Now, the first place you want to go to start watching ads because obviously, you want to get paid to watch those ads. You're going to go to Offer Partners, and then you're going to click on Notic. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to pop up all these different companies that will pay you to watch their ads. As you can see, this ad will pay you 1,600 points, this one 2,400, this one 4,800, right? And the list goes on and on. This one will pay you 22,000 points. So you could literally do all of these, watch all of these ads, and start accruing points in your account that you can then cash out. So that's the absolute best one. The next best one is going to be Offer Toro. You'll want to check that one. And then the third best one is AdGate Media. Okay, so keep those in mind when doing these when watching ads to make money. Now, there will come a point where you watch all the ads, you made all the points, cashed out, and maybe you get tired, right? Maybe you need to go to sleep, maybe you need to go to work. So how are you going to continue earning passively while you're doing those things, sleeping, working, or eating? Well, what I like to do is utilize their affiliate program. Now, if you click on that right there, that's going to bring you here. What's cool is when you get other people to sign up to the site and earn and watch ads, you get a percent of their earnings. Tier 1 is 5%, so if someone earns $100, you get $5. Tier 5 is 9%, Tier 8 is 20%, and Tier 10 is 30%. So if someone earns $1,000, you're going to earn $300 of that just for simply referring them to the site. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get 1,000 people in the next 24 hours to click your referral link, this one right here, as you can see, and sign up and start earning 40. All you have to do is copy the link, and I'm going to show you 2 places that you can go to get 1,000 people today to click your link and start earning on this site. The very first place we're going to go to is Facebook. We're then going to search Make Money Online, go to Groups, and toggle this to Public Groups because we don't want to have to be invited to join, we don't want to have to answer some questions, we just want to join the group. Now, the very first group that I like the most that's most active and has a lot of members coming in is this one right here. Okay, so keep track of this one. It has 62,000 members, 10 plus posts a day. So we're going to go to that group, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get tons of people commenting on your post and basically signing up to your link. So you see all these people. This person is doing it absolutely wrong. If we scroll down, this person did it right. It says, earn $80 for browsing, and then ask me for link setup info, right? So basically, what people are doing, they see the earnings, they see the. You could screenshot your points, put them in here, and people will comment. There's 291 comments here of people commenting, as you can see. Just info or link, please, info. So what you're going to do is when someone comments info on your post, you're going to like it, you're going to add them as a friend, and then you're going to message them with your referral link. Okay, and that's 291 people right there. If you did this 5 times or 4 times even in a day, you would get 1,000 people commenting on your post and then clicking your link. The next place that most people don't know about and it's less saturated is classified ads. So classifiedads.com, there's lots of people searching here for jobs, work from home opportunities, stuff like that. As you can see, business opportunities, other jobs, right? So there's lots of people looking for jobs on here. What you could do is post an ad for free, and we're going to go here, you're going to put jobs, business opportunities, your location, and then you're going to put the ad title. You could put work from home opportunity, and then you could put, $1,000 per week. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, if interested in working from home for $1,000 plus per week, then reply to this message or click here, and then you'll paste your affiliate link. Okay, so you have your affiliate link there, you'll put in your info, and then you'll post the ad, and it will post on this database with millions upon millions of users. Now, this is a great way to make a good little side income, maybe a few $100, maybe even a few thousand, but it's not going to make you rich. Okay, so that's it guys, make sure to join our Telegram channel, so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.